Welcome to the NewsRamp Events Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday evening, July 16th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of events news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Investor news breaks. Kairos Pharma Ltd. Nuevas America to present at H.C. Wainwright Global Investment Conference. Kairos Pharma Ltd. will be presenting at the H.C. Wainwright 27th Annual Global Investment Conference from September 8 to 10th, 2025, at the Lotte New York Palace Hotel. The company, based in Los Angeles, California, focuses on oncology therapeutics, with its lead candidate ENV105 targeting CD105 to reverse drug resistance in cancer treatments. ENV105 is currently in Phase 2 clinical trials for castrate-resistant prostate cancer and Phase 1 trials for lung cancer. For more information, visit Kairos Pharma's website at www.kairospharma.com.
New advisory board to help HR harness people data and analytics strategies. The HR Research Institute has formed a new advisory board of industry experts to guide a research initiative and virtual event focused on HR analytics. The State of People Analytics Advisory Board will help HR leaders leverage metrics and analytics to make smarter workplace decisions. This board, including industry veterans and data experts, will provide insights on embedding data and analytics into HR strategy. The upcoming virtual event on November 12th, 2025 will feature thought leaders from companies like Verizon, Apple, and Wells Fargo. CEO of HR.com, Debbie McGrath, emphasizes the importance of analytics in business today, helping HR professionals use data to lead effectively. Rare BMW 327-328 joins the DFW Car and Toy Museum collection, a must-see for automotive enthusiasts. The DFW Car and Toy Museum is thrilled to showcase the rare BMW 327-328 Sports Cabriolet, a true icon of pre-war automotive engineering. Originally introduced in 1938, this vehicle offers visitors an up-close look at one of the most advanced sports tours of the 1930s. With a Hirth 4-speed manual gearbox and hydraulic brakes, the 327 featured BMW's innovative pushrod 6-cylinder engine, while the 328 boasted a revolutionary 80 bhp engine designed by Rudolf Schleicher. Only 428 examples were produced before World War II, making it a rare collector's item. For automotive enthusiasts, the BMW 27-328 combines power, agility, and luxury, representing pre-war German engineering at its finest.
African Voices presents Lineage, celebrating a legacy of love, family, and activism. African Voices magazine will host an opening exhibition for artist Watson Mir and a launch celebration honoring Harry Belafonte on July 26, 2025. The Summer-Fall 2025 issue features Mir's art on the cover. The event will include readings by contributors like Gia Anasi Shakur. Publisher Carolyn A. Butts highlights Belafonte's impact as an artivist during the civil rights era. The event is free, with donations welcomed. African Voices, celebrating 33 years, is fundraising after being defunded by the National Endowment for the Arts. Spelman College is archiving their art collection. Mir's portrait of Belafonte captures his legacy and compassion. Limited copies of the spring 2025 issue are available, with the Harry Belafonte issue releasing in August. Watson Mir, an award-winning artist, has exhibited globally. Guest editor Keisha Gay Anderson is a poet, writer, and artist. African Voices is supported by various councils, grants, and private donors. Founded in 1992, African Voices showcases art, literature, and films by artists of color. GBK and Sydenham host star-studded pre-SB Longevity Talent Lounge at Sydenham Clinic in Beverly Hills. GBK and Sydenham recently hosted their exclusive longevity lounge at the Sydenham Clinic in Beverly Hills, bringing together athletes, celebrities, and influencers for a day of celebration and wellness ahead of the ESPY Awards. Guests enjoyed B12 shots, IV infusions, and learned about Sydenham Clinic's personalized medical services. Better Use showcased telehealth treatments, while attendees received gifts from Meta H2O, Black Eden 1912 Bourbon, and Rodeo de las Aguas. The event featured top names like Haesung Kim, Ben Kasparius, Ezra Frech, Noah Elliott, Azzy Fudd, and more. Guests were treated to gifts from Invanti, Nucleus, Right Meals, Raiwasa Villas, and more. Nonprofit organizations like Luskin Orthopedic Institute for Children and Foundation for a Drug-Free World were also present to raise awareness for their causes. Allen Ram Proactive Training Solutions partners with Covideo for 5th Annual Sales Video Contest. $5,000 in cash and prizes up for grabs. Allen Ram Proactive Training Solutions has partnered with Covideo for their 5th Annual Sales Video Contest, offering up to $5,000 in cash and prizes. Covideo, a leader in video communication for sales professionals, is known for their innovative video technology in the automotive industry. Video messaging is proven to drive engagement and boost appointment show rates in automotive sales. Sales professionals are encouraged to submit their best video pitch to convert online leads into in-store visits. Prizes include cash, coaching sessions, and guest appearances on the Fired Up podcast. Contestants will be judged on message strategy, execution, energy, and authenticity. Entries can be shared on social media using #CovidioContest for additional exposure and recognition. This contest is an opportunity to develop skills, showcase dealership teams, and win real cash while mastering the future of automotive sales. Club Cruise packs Canta ao Vinho Winery in Rockland for sold-out Viking cruise event. Club Cruise recently hosted a sold-out Viking event at Canta ao Vinho Winery in Rockland, CA, attracting past guests, wine enthusiasts, and Viking-curious travelers. The event featured a rustic setting, immersive old-world European courtyard, and a selection of estate-crafted wines. Guests enjoyed wines like the Rockland Red Blend and Viognier while learning about Viking cruises, latest itineraries from West Coast Business Development Manager Mario Herrera. The event showcased Viking's cultural offerings and featured exclusive gifts for attendees. Club Cruise President Jeff Huber thanked guests for their support and announced a follow-up sale with bonus perks for attendees. Club Cruise is already planning its next event in Healdsburg at Single Thread with 3-star Michelin chef Sabrina, expected to sell out quickly. Learn more at clubcruise.com/events. SERI's eSummit unveils 2025 agenda and first speakers. SERI has unveiled the agenda and first speakers for eSummit 2025, happening September 8 to 11 in Minneapolis. The event will bring together executives and innovators from leading technology companies, recyclers, policymakers, and sustainability advocates to accelerate the transition to a circular economy for electronics. Confirmed speakers include representatives from Amazon, Google, IBM, Lenovo, and more. The agenda includes pre-summit activities, Expo Plus Day, Fast Forward Day, and Forward Together Day, offering a mix of operational challenges, strategic vision, and collaborative workshops. Registration is open for the event, with All Access and Expo Plus one-day passes available. Stay updated on new additions to the lineup and register at electronicsummit.org. SERI is a nonprofit organization driving sustainable electronics practices globally, with programs like the R2 Standard and the SERI Champions Program.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Events podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.